guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gage, and today here at SPEEDhaus we have a BMW X3M40i. And so our main goal today is we have this FrankenTurbo F660 turbo. These turbos are rated for roughly around 650 wheel horsepower with and including fueling mods that you need. So that is our goal with this car, is make over 600 wheel horsepower. We're not quite there yet, but we're going to start off with this FrankenTurbo, and then as we get along with this build, we're going to go ahead and do port injection, upgrade fueling, and so forth. So we're going to do the turbo today, we're going to do spark plugs today, and coil packs. And anything else we're supposed to be doing today, Trevor? Is that it? I think that's it. Okay, so let's get into this turbo. So this F660 comes with this inlet pipe, comes with a calibrated wastegate actuator. We have a couple O-rings with it. So this particular kit did not include the O-rings for the oil lines, the coolant lines, and the exhaust manifold gasket. We have got that already here. It's over on the shelf over there, but that's what you'll need with this particular kit. I'm sure depending on how you order this kit, I order all that. We did not in this situation, but that's okay. So we're gonna kind of give you a slow walkthrough on how to do this, not super in depth. So let's get started. Okay, it's not a 7, in case you're wondering. All right, so we have the intake box off, and so currently for a little bit I'm going to work on getting the rest of the intake inlet pipe off and get some of this, everything that's right here out of the way, including there's a big shield that covers the turbo, this guy right here, where I'm going to go ahead and get this off, get some of this other stuff that's just kind of in the way out of the way before we start draining the coolant and pull out of the turbo. There we go. Herb's key is out. Okay, so for viewers at home, let's give us a rough measurement here. So I would say that is roughly about 2 1/4 inches from outside to outside. Well, actually, like 2 3/8 from outside to outside on the stock OEM turbo. And this one is, I'd say 2 5/8 outside to outside. There's a difference. If I can tell a difference on the exhaust side, there's definitely a difference. Much bigger fins on the F660 than we do on the stock one. It'd be harder to measure that, but you can obviously tell the difference. OEM versus the F660 on this one. Now I have to transfer all the lines over so we can go ahead and put this turbo in the car. Okay, recap on where we're at right now. So we have the turbo officially in. So as far as if you're wondering about buying this turbo from FrankenTurbo, how the installation is, it is very similar to every other single hybrid turbo you put on this car. It's almost exactly like pulling the OEM one and putting a new OEM one back on. So if you're questioning how to do that, there's several videos on how to do that. There's some of our channel on how to do that. Today, that was not the video we made. So we have the turbo on. We have brand new coils and spark plugs in, 96206 by NGK. We have some Bosch coil packs. You can use Bosch or Elder, either one. We gapped all of our plugs to 0.22. And we fixed a coolant leak today as well. Trevor got that done. We also added a brand new charge pipe because we might as well do it since we're going to add the extra boost. We'd rather not blow a charge pipe at 30 pounds going down the highway. So we got that done. Got fresh coolant in it, and now we're getting ready to load us a fresh hot void tune. Fire it up. So if you're adding a turbo to your car, a brand new turbo, quick thing. Some people are going to disagree with me on how to do this, but it's okay. I've never heard anything yet. You want to prime the turbo before starting the car. So I like to do, because it's quick and easy, is I just unplug the coil packs right here. Super simple. And that means the spark plugs can't spark when you go to turn the car over. People will tell you that, oh, you're washing the cylinders out. We're going to do this for a whopping 15-20 seconds. That's just enough time to get oil pressure through the turbo. That's all you're wanting to do. Then after that, crank it once or twice for a little bit, plug your coils back in, and you're ready to go. First start. Oil's definitely prime now.
There we go. Time to flash CD 919's tune. All right, so we got the tune flashed. Now we can take it for a drive. All right, first startup went great. No leaks, no crazy noises. Everything looks good. So now the tune is flashed. She's ready to go. We get to go make some logs. Okay, now for the fun part. So I'm actually on my 4th revision, and we're to the point where I can actually start getting in this thing and it makes some boost. So he wanted me to do a normal driving log. He wanted me to do a 3rd gear and a 2nd through 4th. So we can actually go through some gears and yeah, time to see what this thing can do. Here we go. Pretty freaking spicy. Here we go. 2nd through 4th. Pretty freaking good. I'm gonna try and get you guys some outside clips now that we've done these logs. I guess I'll try and put the mic in the engine bay so you can actually hear some turbo sounds from this thing.
That's my 2019 BMW X3M40i with the Franken F660 turbo installed. So obviously tuning still isn't fully dialed in, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys so you could hear what this thing sounds like. And we will be getting this on the dyno, getting some numbers for you. First on 91, which it's on right now. Then we'll move on to full E. We got a whole fueling system for it that we're gonna be putting on later to really push this turbo, see what we can get out of it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you want a Franken or Shunk turbo, make sure you use code SPEEDhaus 405. They were nice enough to hook you guys up with free shipping. So make sure you guys use that, link in the description, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.